Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Audi Q5 marks a significant evolution in Audi's lineup, blending advanced technology with refined design to enhance its position in the luxury SUV market. Design and exterior. The new Q5 showcases a modernized exterior with sleek lines and a bold front grille, reflecting Audi's contemporary design language. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances aesthetics but also improves fuel efficiency and handling. Powertrain and performance. In line with Audi's commitment to sustainability, the 2025 Q5 is available exclusively with hybrid powertrains. The lineup includes 2 petrol hybrids and 1 diesel hybrid, with a plug-in hybrid variant expected to join later. The entry-level model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivering 201 horsepower, while the high-performance Q5 is equipped with a mild hybrid 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine producing 362 horsepower. These powertrains are designed to offer a balance of performance and efficiency, catering to a range of driving preferences. Interior and technology. Inside, the Q5 offers a luxurious cabin equipped with Audi's digital stage setup. This includes an 11.9-inch digital instrument display and a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen, providing intuitive access to vehicle controls and entertainment options. The interior materials and finishes reflect Audi's dedication to quality and comfort, ensuring a premium experience for both drivers and passengers. Safety and driver assistance. The 2025 Q5 comes standard with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety. Availability and pricing. The 2025 Audi Q5 is expected to arrive in showrooms starting March 2025. Pricing in Europe begins at €52,300 for the entry-level petrol model, with the Q5 priced at €82,900. Pricing for other markets will be announced closer to the release date. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Audi Q5, including detailed specifications and a visual overview, you can watch the following video.